We'll have to get those guys. Do you want to go ask them real quick? Yeah, would you help me snap this? Yeah. The pencil line? Yeah. Alright, you're good. Like it? Yep. How's it going? 1, 2, 3. Good thing we have the mighty wallpaper. Indeed. Oh yeah. That seems like a really short window, dude. Moist birthday. Yeah, it is. This is gonna be the backsplash for the counter. But it seems like it's shorter. Like I thought I can see out this window. Well, it's just to be backsplash, basically. Yeah, let's. Oh, this is not a window. Let's get this. This is, but it's gonna act as a backsplash. Let's get one more on this side. Yeah. That's the rules. Do you wanna get some blocks? Yep. Yeah, that's it. Thank you. Hey, there we go. Right as the wind picks up. I'm jumping to that. If anything, it'd probably fall off the floor. True. Oh gosh. I know. Power of man. Makes it can't. They probably saw it and were like, no. You bet I do. What's nice about pulling out these hangers is there's like only a few nails. Man, I hate this rack, dude. You need to fix it. That rack? Yeah, I don't even know what's up with it. I think it's just like all the parts are getting old on it, like on any. It's so hard to pull back the thing. Oh, maybe we will still leave this guy here because we might do a joist just from here to there. Because then this span to the rim would be too far. So I think we probably will actually leave that. But it just won't run all the way through. It'll only run to the wall. So you want to do that? Okay, and that guy actually, if we're going to keep it there. Yeah, and I'll give you a number for that, Patty. For this. No, just regular joist. Let's go 68.5. Whoa, that guy's super jank. The cut is not square. It's just if we throw toenails in that, we should be good. What's that? Like what? Yeah, usually one edge will be green, and the green edge is square. In this case, there's not a green edge on either side. Yeah, so I would just find whichever one is closest. And yeah, baby. I think it was. Random, would you double check that joist number? It was, I think, 68 and a half. Yeah, my bad. I forgot about that. Here you go. Bouncy. What are your blocks for over that wall? What's it? 14-inch blocks for over that? There's gonna be... Okay. Okay. 14 and a quarter? Wait, how long does the difference go? I can make how long and it's still the block full length too. Like the block right here. Yeah, and then let's do that, yeah. That sounds good to me. Yeah, I would just... This is right. And the bottom's wrong. Okay, yeah, I would just get whatever your line is, and then we'll try to snap it, and then we'll cut them all square. Here's your first one. And we're sure that that's our 3 foot 4 and 3/4. 3 foot 4 3/4? Yeah, because it could even be a little bit different from our LVL. 3 foot 4 and a half. Actually, that's pretty dang close, yeah. 3/4. It's 5/8 heavy. Beauty. Alright, then we can check our other end one wherever it's good. And I don't have a gun. Are these gonna be these joists here, Patty? Heck yeah. Don't drop it. So, am I going to snap the bottom then? Because if I'm pulling the measurement from here... Or you can pull it from there and then just square it up. 3 foot 4 and 3/4? Yeah. And then I would just make the number a quarter inch short and cut all 4 of them. Yeah, now I just cut all 4 of them. It'll be more beautiful. Watch your foot. Sweet. What's that? Yeah. Yeah. Let's pull from that side, because this side's really out of square, and I don't want to keep this side. Here's all your blocks. I'm pretty sure... only 3 of them need to cut. Easy peasy. Oh, let me make sure this side's pretty square too. Man, they're both pretty bad. We'll do square cuts on it and then measure from the square cuts. Just so we don't have to have any of that. The garb. Oh yeah. It's a bummer that with the short ones they just send you 2 bad sides. Oh yeah. Okay. Maybe. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And then with these guys, technically there's a way to gang cut them, but it's not really that worth it when there's only 4 of them. So we'll probably just leave them flat and just do them Kind of regular, how we've been doing them? What was the number?
198 and a quarter, but taking the quarter off.
Okay, so this is 98. Can I see my tape, Landon?
Yeah.
I'll get those guys glued up. No moco loco. I'm the cash cooler. Oh no. Coach! The blocks? Oh, these joists? We're cutting them right now. Little guys. Probably still just a sawzall. Maybe, depending on where it's, if there's any nails close. Come up. Come up. There we go. Yeah, I would just go through the LVL actually. Let me try something with this guy. I want to see if that could... Is this Mr. Chick-fil-A? That worked out pretty well. I said that worked out pretty well. Yeah. Nice indeed.